Nsanyusa okulaba olunaku olwaleero. I'm happy to see you today. I hope you're doing well. Subira oli bulungi. Thank you so much for watching all the content and commenting. Webale nnyo okulaba video no commenting n'okola byonna by'okola. Continue to do the same and share so that we can grow this family into a bigger one. Egenda mu maaso okola ekyo tusobole okuza family eno ebeere ennene nnyo, which will enable us to spread a lot of hope to the people in our communities. Ekyo kijja tuyamba okusobola osaasaanya essuubi eri abantu ab'ebyalo byaffe. So today we're going to look at this. Tugenda tunuulira kino. I am answering somebody, ndikuddamu omuntu. He asked a question, teacher, what is the difference between chi, and chi? We have 3 chis in Luganda and they want to know the difference. Baagala okumanya enjawulo eriwo mu masekkati ga bino ebigambo. I'm pretty sure you too have a similar challenge. Nkakasa naawe olina ekisoomooza bwe kityo. Chi and chi. Okay, let me start with chi. Kantandike ne chi. So ennyukuta ka oba waliifu ka. The ka sound, or the alphabet ka, takes the chi sound in Luganda in most cases, but there's some words that remain as chi, like kangende, it remains, but with I mostly it sounds like chi. Okay, what about this? So this would be ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Then this syllable here, enyingeno, this is a 2-grouped consonant and a vowel. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. So this is a syllable with 1 sound. Listen to the sound. Chi, cho, chu, chu. Chu is like chi. It has 1 sound. Erina eddoboozi litya limu, eyo enyingo eya cha, che, chi, cho, chu. This one we know that when it's put into practice, it takes the chi sound. Eno walifu y'Oluganda weekola ebigambo efuuka chi. Ebiseera ebisinga tujja biraba nga bwe tugenda mu maaso. Then what about this chi? So this is cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. After handling that, gatumaze okwasaganya ebyo, meaning we have to know, when do I use this chi, when do I use this chi, and when do I use this chi. Diri enkozesa eno chi, eno n'eno. Atugende mu byokulabirako. So we are going to practice, right? So this one, chi, we have like kirungi. Others say it kind of sounds like kirungi, but this is kirungi because chi takes the chi sound, the ki, ka and yi. Kirungi. We have something good is kirungi. We have chi, chigambo. You see that? Chigambo. Chigambo is a word. Chigambo is a word. Then we have echi, chitabo. Echi, tabo, that is a book. Then we have echi, kajo. Echi kajo, a sugar cane. Chechi kajo. Then echintu is something. Echintu, something. Okay, and now we'll try and practice using this syllable. This is a two grouped consonant and a vowel. It is chi. So, for example, we have choto. Choto, this is a cooking, three stones they use for cooking or anything that has fire, fuel, or charcoal, and it's used for cooking. Chiba, choto. Then we have cheyo. Cheyo is a broom. You see this cheyo. Then a chejo. A chejo is like people who have pride or something like that. Then tulina echama. Echama is a secret. Echama is a secret. Then we have chapa. Chapa is like a land title. So, how do I use chi? Cheyune, choto, chirunji. Not chirunji. Chirunji is the other side. Chewalabye. Words that involve two grouped consonants that align. Let's say ncha. So even three grouped consonants work, like ncha. This is ncha. Y. You see that? Ncha. Nchagade. Nchagade. This would work as well. Cha. You see? Cha. Okay. Words that have three grouped or two grouped consonants and a vowel. Syllables like that. Ebigambo nga birina ennyingo bwezityo nga byentadde wano. Now, we go to the third one. This is cha, che, chi, cho, chu. When do we use this in Luganda? Tukozesa tutya ennyingo bweziti. You see, in Luganda, we don't have words that use this. This. Mu Luganda tulina bigambo bikozesa nnyingo bweziti ezeeno. This one. We don't have. We only have this and this. But why? Why and when do we use this? So these are borrowed words, words or names from other languages, from foreign languages. Bino bigambo oba mannya g'ebintu nga biva mu lulimi olulala by'osobola okukozesa eno. If you find any word that starts with cha like this, or in the middle, or in the end, just know these are not Luganda words, but they are foreign words that can be used in Luganda. The first one is, guess what it is? Chai. Chai. Chu. Chapa. Chapati. 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 Chai is tea, then chapat is a chapati. Omu. Che. Re. Omuche. Re. Omuchere tetwagulina mu Luganda, so this is a borrowed name. This is a borrowed name. That's why it's called. We use this cha. Che. This is che. Omuchere. Then we have omuchuzi. Omuchuzi si kigambo kya Luganda. Naye twakigandawaza kubanga kyava muchuzi karibu Kenya pale. Kyava wali e Kenya. Waliyo n'ekirala ekigambo nga kino. Chupa. Chupa. This is a bottle. Bottle. Chupa is a bottle. So these are the differences you can find between chi, chi, and chi. Eyo yenjawulo gy'osobola okusanga gye nzijukirako mu lulimi Oluganda. Naye olulimi lwonna teruggwaayo. Osobola okusinkana ebigambo ebirala ne wano weebiri naawo. Let me know in the comments what you know about these, what you remember, and all of that. Nzijukizaamu ng'okomentinga by'ojjukira tulabe engeri gye tusobola okutereeza waako ono naye for now this is all that we had to share. Bino byetubadde tulina kola ki okugabana. Nsobola okugamba mpeerezaayo chai oba mpa chai, give me tea. Fumba chapati, make, cook or fry. Chapati tebagifumba, so they say fry for me a chapati. Nsiikiraayo chapati. Rice omuceere gwa mmeka, how much is rice? Then netugamba omukyuzi, osobola okunyongerayo ku mukyuzi, could you add me some soup? Mukyuzi, like soup, stew that you can just take and it's so sweet. Then chupa, echupa eno yaani, whose bottle is this? Kale webale kulaba video, nsaba osubscribing, osharing, era okebere mu description waliyo link ya GoFundMe gye twataddemu ey'okugula ettaka erigulayo ku community center yaffe. There is a GoFundMe link in the description. Please go and share that link and just go and donate so that we can build a community center together. I love you guys and I wish you the best.